Okay, guys, today is January 10th, 2018. It is a Wednesday. I'm going to show you how to make a deposit into Binance.com. So what you need to do is simply click on deposit funds and then deposit withdrawals. You're going to put in the currency that you want to deposit. Put in ETH. We're going to do Ethereum. I'm going to go over here and click on deposit. And it's going to pop up an address here. So then I'm going to click on copy this address. I'm going to go to my Bitcoin wallet, which I already have open under ETH. I'm going to click on send. Make sure the currency is Ether. I'm going to paste in this address. And then I'm going to put in the US dollar amount that I want to send, which is $300. For my personal information, I'm going to put this description here, BNC for Binance. I'm just going to put deposit. And it tells me my fee here is 0.63. So just before I do this, I'm going to go back. And I always like to look at the first couple letters, OX9, the last two are 7E70. And go back that this is, and look at that this is exactly the same, OX9, 7E70. Now that I know that that is correct, then I'm going ahead and click continue. It tells me $300.62, which is phenomenal in comparison to Bitcoin in terms of the fees. I send Ether, and that transaction is done. So it's as simple as that. That's how you can deposit funds into Binance. Okay, guys, I wanted to just add a few things to this video. Number one, I wanted to make sure that you see the note here in regards to ETH, where it basically just says, number one, make sure that you're sending only ETH to the deposit address. You send Bitcoin by accident or try to, it shouldn't work, but if it did, you could lose your deposit. Number two, your coins will be deposited immediately after 30 network confirmations. So it may take a little while, which it has been for me to get these funds into my account. So after making the deposit, you can track its progress on the history page. Now I can click on this link to go to that history, or if you simply go up to funds, right there under deposit and withdrawal shows history. So if I click on that, it shows me my deposit, the time I made it, and there are now more than 30 confirmations. What I did see a few minutes ago, which is no longer there now, is it was saying how many confirmations out of 30 I was waiting for in order for it to confirm. Since it's now completed, I should have some funds in my account, and I should be able to go ahead and start using them on this platform. So once again, to make a quick deposit into Binance, you click on funds and then deposit withdrawals. I just did a deposit with ETH. If you want to choose Bitcoin, you can go to BTC. Same process. Click on deposit. It should populate a Bitcoin address here to pay. I don't see it, but it should happen shortly. There it is. Then same notes to pay attention for. You'll see with Bitcoin, they're only waiting for 2 network confirmations. So you would simply copy this address, paste it into your Bitcoin wallet, and make your deposit. And once you do that, do exactly what we just did with ETH. Either go to the history page by clicking this button here, or you can go right up here to deposits and withdrawals and go right to the history there. And then you'll see your deposit history if you have deposited with Bitcoin. So thanks for listening and have a blessed day.